Artificial intelligence. It's like that super smart friend who always knows the answer, except it never sleeps and doesn't judge you for binge-watching cat videos at 3 a.m. We've come a long way from clunky robots and awkward voice assistants. But AI is just getting started, my friends. So what's next? What happens when AI stops being just artificial and starts being actually amazing? Let's take a sneak peek into the future of AI, and yes, it's going to be wild. 1. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, the rise of super brainiac bots. First up, we have Artificial General Intelligence, or as I like to call it, AI that's smarter than your high school valedictorian, but with fewer existential crises. AGI is like the holy grail of AI. Instead of just being good at one thing, like recognizing your dog in a photo, AGI can do everything. It'll learn, reason, and make decisions just like humans. Or, like humans on a really good day. But don't worry, AGI probably won't take over the world and turn us into batteries. Probably. 2. AI and human collaboration. Your new coworker is a robot, and it doesn't steal your lunch. Next, let's talk about AI-human collaboration. No, this doesn't mean you're getting replaced by a robot at work, though that might be preferable depending on how much you love those Monday morning meetings. Instead, AI will be your super smart assistant. Picture this. You're working on a project, and AI is right there beside you, doing all the boring stuff while you take all the credit. It's basically like having an unpaid intern, but one that won't complain about exposure as payment. AI will handle all the data, boring tasks, and tedious calculations, leaving you to do the fun, creative stuff, like making memes. Let's be real, that's what we're all doing. 3. AI in healthcare. Dr. Robot will see you now, and it won't make you wait 45 minutes. Ah, healthcare. Ever waited an eternity in a doctor's office just to be told to drink more water? Well, in the future, AI-powered healthcare will swoop in like a superhero with a PhD. AI will help diagnose diseases, suggest treatments, and make sure you're not Googling your symptoms and convincing yourself you have 12 rare diseases. AI will analyze your medical history, predict what you might need, and probably remind you that you haven't had your annual checkup in 3 years. No judgment. Okay, maybe a little. Now, here's where things get crazy. AI is going Hollywood. AI is already creating songs, writing movie scripts, and even painting masterpieces. But in the future, we might see robots winning Oscars, Emmys, and maybe even taking over your TikTok feed. Imagine watching a movie written entirely by AI. On second thought, it might be one long action sequence with a plot that makes zero sense. So, like most summer blockbusters, AI will revolutionize entertainment, helping creators push the boundaries of what's possible. Or maybe just helping you procrastinate with endless AI-generated cat videos. 5. Autonomous everything. Cars, planes, and pizza delivery. Autonomous vehicles are already here, but in the future everything will be autonomous. I'm talking driverless cars, delivery drones, and even autonomous pizza-making robots. So the next time you're craving pepperoni at 2 a.m., just know that somewhere in the future, a robot will be baking that pizza and delivering it to your doorstep without a single human involved. It's like magic, but with cheese. And don't worry about tipping. Robots don't care yet. 6. AI and sustainability. Saving the planet, one algorithm at a time. Good news. AI isn't just here to make life easier. It's also here to save the planet. In the future, AI will be used to combat climate change by optimizing energy use, predicting natural disasters, and making sure your smart home doesn't leave the lights on when you're not home. AI is basically the eco-friendly roommate you never knew you needed. AI will help us build smarter cities, grow more food with fewer resources, and maybe, just maybe, remind us that recycling is a thing. Thanks, AI. 7. AI in space exploration to infinity and beyond, with robots. Next stop, space. That's right, AI isn't just staying here on Earth, it's going intergalactic. With AI-driven space exploration, we'll be able to explore planets, moons, and maybe even find aliens. Or at least a decent Wi-Fi signal on Mars. AI will pilot spacecraft, analyze data, and maybe even terraform new worlds for us. Because let's be honest, we've already messed this one up enough. In the future, AI will help us boldly go where no human has gone before. Mostly because space is cold, scary, and honestly, we'd rather send the robots. 8. AI ethics. Just because we can, should we? Of course, with all this power comes great responsibility. The future of AI isn't just about cool gadgets and robots delivering pizza. It's also about ethics. Should AI be making life or death decisions? Should it really have access to your entire browser history? Because, yikes. As AI gets smarter, we'll have to make sure it's used responsibly. Otherwise, we might just end up with a robot that judges you for ordering pizza 3 times in 1 week. The future of AI will be amazing, but it's up to us to make sure it's also fair, transparent, and most importantly, non-judgmental. AI, let's keep it smart, not sassy. So there you have it. The future of AI is full of mind-blowing possibilities, from super smart robots to AI-powered pizza delivery. What's next? Well, we're about to find out whether we're ready or not. Make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and maybe leave a comment below telling us what you think the wildest AI invention of the future will be. Just remember, the robots are watching. But in a good way, we think. Subscribe for more AI fun. Like, comment, and subscribe.